Hey everyone, welcome back to Mold Mayhem. The image of angels with majestic wings has always been an endless source of inspiration in art. But what if that image took on a darker, more rugged beauty? That's exactly why I'm taking on this project, an incredibly detailed and impressive version of a dark angel. Today, let's finish this piece together, focusing on capturing his commanding presence. Let's get started. With this model, we'll jump straight into finalizing the form. I'll carefully drill the joints and use specialized glue to attach these magnificent wings to the character's body. This is a crucial step to ensure stability and create his majestic posture. Once the glue is dry and the model is solid, we'll begin the painting process. The first step is to apply a dark base coat over the entire piece. This base layer will make the vibrant red colors we'll be painting in the next steps have more depth and really stand out. With the dark base coat ready, it's time to create the first highlights. I'll use an airbrush to spray a light layer of a brighter color onto the helmet and the highest points of the wings, creating a natural lighting effect from above. Then to make the details truly pop, I'll use a hand brush to apply sharp highlights along the edges of the armor and feathers. After the highlights are in place, it's time to dress the character in his dominant, powerful red. I'll use a thin layer of red paint, carefully applying it to the armor and wings. This technique allows the highlighted areas we created earlier to still show through, creating a smooth color transition and a red that has depth, not just a flat color. For the sword to create a brilliant energy effect, I'll start with a white primer as a base. After that, I'll apply layers of blue on top. The white base underneath will help the blue look incredibly vibrant and full of life, as if it's glowing on its own. To finish the sword, I'll use a very fine brush to meticulously paint the lightning-like energy streaks crackling along the blade. This detail will make the weapon look incredibly powerful, as if it's about to erupt. And this is also the final step to conclude today's video. Let's check out the result right after this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to suggest which character you'd like to see me work on next. If you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on future videos. Goodbye and see you in the next one.